I think estheticians love Renew Dermal Solution so much because they're able to deliver on results while doing it in a very approachable way. I think, 20 minutes of education and they'll know how to do a Renew Dermal Solution treatment. I think it's very simple and it's also relatively quick. And so having a highly efficacious treatment that's relatively quick to turn over and to conduct this treatment at an affordable cost, I think is kind of hits the perfect sweet spot for the esthetician audience. We are the first to really imagine a skincare treatment as the two-step process, as a chemical process and then as a biological process. And we are the ones that are marrying the two technologies. Historically speaking, all companies are approaching skincare from more of a chemistry basis or even a pharmacological basis. Since we have the pedigree of stem cell science and biology in this company, we're bringing that other side to the treat equation. This is super important because everybody's skin biology is a little bit different. And it depends a lot on how healthy you are, what age you are, how well you take care of your skin. So every other company out there is giving you the acid without necessarily addressing the underlying biology. Renew actually gives your clients the building blocks for skin repair that your skin needs, so that it can sort of normalize the level of skin health across all ages, across all different levels of health.